Goodison Park hosts Women's League Cup action for the first time as Everton look to bounce back from defeat in their opening group game against Manchester City. Brian Sorensen's side looking for a morale-boosting win. Everton making 3 changes from the defeat to Manchester United last weekend. Forest beat Newcastle in their opening group match. They make 2 switches from the 11 beaten at Durham last time out in WSL 2. Well, Nottingham Forest have been packing a punch in WSL 2. Perhaps not the sort of opposition Everton would want after a difficult start to the season of their own. Miki trying to move forward here. Getting it back from Wheeler. Some ball into the box. Gago with the strike and Batty saving with her feet. Might still come here and dragged wide. It took a deflection on its way. Hayashi with the second strike after Gago's first. The corner routine was aimed towards Van Hall, but they worked it well anyway. Decent block coming in. And still a chance for the strike. Kitagawa trying with the second bite of the cherry for Everton. Dealt with by Batty. Brian Sorensen talking about Everton having to fly whilst building the plane in recent weeks. Building down the left here. Gago. And a combination there of Mustaki and Batty dealing with that. Bit of a grin from the goalkeeper. Not seen too much of Nottingham Forest in an attacking sense just yet. Pacheco, that's a nice ball. Gago. And Robinson in the middle. And still. And that's a good chance. From a good move. Still the opening goal will not come for the hosts. Here's Van Hall. Well, lovely turn from Robinson. Into the box she goes. Whilst finding Gago. Hayashi, Gago! And over the top. A really good chance goes begging. Well, here come Forest with Rogers. Into the box for Claypole. Patience from the WSL 2 side as it's launched into the area now. Well, it's been stolen from Amiki, and the challenge coming in on Smith here, and a penalty. Kirsty Smith felled in the area. And the WSL 2 side with a spot kick. Oh boy, look at keeping hold of the ball and passing it now to Amy Claypole, who tucks that away beautifully. Nottingham Forest in front. Plenty of defending to do in the first half, but they've taken their opportunity in the second. Well, frustrations growing for Everton. They'll grow further with every misplaced pass. Well, that's a poor ball, and it's Gago, and it's 1-1. Nottingham Forest lead lasted no longer than 4 minutes. Kelly Gago pouncing on the opportunity and levelling the scores. What a nice ball for Gago to chase from Van Hall. Robinson again surging into the box, wanting the cross to come. It's aimed towards her. Just about dealt with. Wheeler! Well, she had Batty scrambling. Claypole. Van Hall back there to tidy up for Everton. Everton trying to turn away from trouble, but only finding more of it. That's well worked as well. Could still be a chance. A big chance. Garcia over the top. That is the full-time whistle. And you can hear what the Everton fans think of that. Held by WSL2 opposition in the 90 minutes. We will have a penalty shootout to decide the bonus point. So Claypole. Same place she put her first. Nottingham Forest ahead in the shootout. Gago's next. Another composed penalty. Nicely done from Olding. Stenvik stepping up. Well, the keeper got a hand to it but couldn't keep it out. Stenvik restoring parity. Wellings now. Well, this time it is saved. Ramsey gets right and gives Everton the advantage in the shootout. Got down really well here. Here's Weir. And over the top. Kenzie Weir cannot give Everton the lead in the shootout. Molly Green next. And the centre half goes straight down the middle. Wheeler. Well, that's an excellent penalty. Lorca then. Another stop from Ramsey. 2 in the shootout now. And Everton 1 kick away. Deep intake of breath. And sends the goalkeeper the wrong way. Everton win the shootout, they take the bonus point. And quite rightly, the congratulations go to the goalkeeper, Ramsey, who made 2 very important stops in that shootout.